Chama Kwesi Poku Semiba Chama Kwesi Poku issue
ama sama rohwe me
time
time dey say me ana me time
ma try dey be o make
me dey be nyamotre wo say why
me say issue now supposed to mean about Chama Kwesi Poku
go with him
Chama Kwesi Poku constituency chairman, and I want to believe say ono abeja tum say constitution no eka how we should speak out there and portray the good image of the party out there. First and foremost, Asema will be saying in Ukraine, I feel say he doesn't have the locus to even speak to the issue.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I didn't try.
And there or your regional rep for Honorable Ken, on your national spokesperson. The best person to speak to issues like this, your Honorable Kennedy Agyapong spokesperson.
You can't determine for
no,
us.
I'm telling you, say issue be one you ultimately speak it to. Every organization one is structure. Into SOMPA assembly bar, you know who your PR is.
And we know where to get the information.
Good.
If your PR now ever come, you will not get the information.
I didn't tell me can't win now. You understand, sir? And no speaking for Honorable Ken officially. He's not the one appointed. Kwesi Kwatina, Honorable Ken appointed. Now you see, for him to come and say
that was for his campaign,
but he's still using that position as an regional rep.
No, I don't know.
No, but he said it's Honorable Ken.
Say, the former regional rep. I refer to him as such.
Then you're even making my case very solid why he doesn't have the locus to speak, because he's a constituency chairman of the party. He's not a chairman for Honorable Ken. So he's not supposed to speak for Honorable Ken now.
Or your special aid to Ken.
No. You called him to speak on behalf. Say he should have.
So what's your you don't have you see.
You understand why? Because me will be a medical. Because whether Honorable Ken is consulted or not, the best person to know and who is authorized to speak for him. Because before we will be spokesperson, before we speak on his behalf, there's only information. Friend. Cross-checking Yama before you come on air. Is that not it? Do you want to tell me that he cross-checked with Honorable Ken before coming on air?
Let me ask you this question. Miracles. Does he still speak for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia?
Yes, he still
speaks for him.
His appointment has not been terminated. That I know of. What I say. But issue like this, when was a consultation? Who person catch me say?
Okay, so if you tell me baby
he's not a constituency chairman.
Wait.
For him to come on air and say Honorable Ken was never consulted, he's saying that's a statement of fact. But how can I say Dr. Bawumia echo Honorable Kennedy Agyapong fie oko no Obama for amane okoye kra answer Honorable Sami Oku beka on air na sa meeting no kra ewie. So if I say as at that time no say wo frɛ obi say Chairman Kwesi Poku ebisana obetima catch us said there was no meeting like that.
No, we called him here and he indeed accepted the fact that there was a meeting like that.
That was post issue.
Anything that happened with Ken,
all the media houses got to know said there was a meeting between Dr. Bawumia and Honorable Kennedy Agyapong after Honorable Samuel Okubeka on air.
No, it's not.
I'm telling you,
it's not true.
I'm telling you,
it's not true.
Prior to the meeting, no one said that meeting go on. No, but Prof, did you know there was a meeting ongoing?
Some of us over here,
did you know there was a meeting ongoing?
But people very close to Kennedy Agyapong were aware of that meeting.
So you called Chairman Kwesi Poku after the meeting was said. Is that not it?
We called him and had a conversation with him.
That was after.
And this is a second conversation.
And that was after, no, before the meeting. Is that not it? So me Kwesi said, Obia only say meeting bisa because former Vice President Dr. Bawumia share meeting one announce it. Into Obia only privy to that information. No, so bisa na Obia just say enye no kre. But I'm personally be bisa there koso because na me patch. And Chairman Kwesi Poku kaba reconciliation. Yeah, party biano open reconciliation. Now reconciliation, the best person or setting the tone Dr. Bawumia himself. Looking at near all year going to visit all the aspirants were visit home. Discussions I be cohort now and then in an ABI bounty. But I'm happy so on Ankasanka say on T baby say Dr. Bawumia did you be at them. And Dr. Bawumia never did anything of that sort. So if followers be Eko Kika Nyama was on Kika in the heat of the campaign, which was very unfortunate. Ni team Ekebi. In fact, some of them, including himself, I had to take him on regional platform Only Chairman Kwesi Poku. Because of certain things, okay, as a constituency chairman, you are not supposed to say out there. But because of campaign, mean this say okay, Trenson repeated some of these things. Obepina I repeat it. But here in him say campaign time, you might be her. I was saying, now still, you are stuck to the issue. Said there should be reconciliation. Why not? And who can make reference? You are making reference to Unkrofo down there, and you are using them as justification. If we want to hold you by that same standard, near Unkrofo should be for Dr. Bawumia. We will not make forward. We will not make headway. The only thing the party wants right now is say you be making headway. Ni obi aka bia Dr. Bawumia say you forgetting na. Ni enipa na nkasa ye ka semfa ne humpo. Ono cry to anamo akon all the competitors no forging unity. Now who that's who Kremu say this is what should be done before. I only plead say now he's holding the position. Wasanko back to the though on fancy or but or active as a rep for Honorable Ken. Say a real contest. There are no camps. The only person we need to project, defend, and speak of him, and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Nya unim hu hwinu menka. So unim bibi kra for the interest of the party out there. You should know how to put it. And obeka say I'm consulting, and onya den free mo.
But say yeah.
No, onya den free.
But you consulted the others. You consulted the others. We are consulting him.
We are healing, and you are still trying to create cracks.
No, but you people, you are creating division in the party.
Who is creating? Who is?
Agyapong penny for no.
Why mo?
Dr.
Bawumia
the national the national executive committee.
Who amongst them?
The national executive committee.
Who amongst them?
Why didn't they inform Ken?
Who amongst the national executive is causing?
I'm talking about the
mention
committee.
them.
I will not mention
them. You can't mention.
It's a committee.
It's not true. If it is true, I challenge you to mention it. If it's not true, I'm telling you, sir, there's no national executive you can accuse by mentioning
the committee. You want to say when Chairman Kwesi Poku was speaking right here on air. When he was speaking right there. No, I'm asking you. When Kwesi Poku was speaking right here on air, Kwesi Poku can say, "Enya dia, eye before his appointment, ibebano. Ye consult to eye Kennedy Agyapong." And he again followed up with a question to Justin Kudia, the party's national general secretary. And Onosuka said, "Onim, Onosuba get back to him." And up to now, no response has come to Kwesi Poku. And Kwesi Poku also feels no. Sir Kobane say, "What inform me bimum? You've consulted some other people are one more point to na ono yen consultona." Now, you
are simply who try to get away with it. I asked who is the official spokesperson of Honorable Ken.
No, you can't ask me any question. I can't respond to official spokesperson. I cannot respond to your questions.
I cannot respond to your question. Has not been consulted. But not Chairman Kwesi Poku. Kwesi Kwatin be catch wa who friend is say that's so Honorable Ken has not been
producer
then that thing has not been done. But Chairman Kwesi Poku not. And again I'll tell you say it is not true that our national executives are causing division. There's none of them. Yeko elections yi omu supervise election. Yeka say yanko to
election. So what if it comes out true say I'm pampa because you are doubting Chairman Kwesi Poku? What if it comes out true say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong was not consulted, but meanwhile the others were consulted? What would your position be?
Is that not why we normally say official sources and not official spokesperson? Is that not it?
I'm asking you. What if it? What if it turns out? So I'm asking. What if it turns out? What would you say?
What would I say? I told you if Kwesi Kwatin comes here and say. Honorable Ken has not been consulted, I will agree. You don't know what I said.
And what would be your position on that?
I said I will agree.
And what would I be agreeing to? And what would be on your position on that?
It's not happening, so you can't know my position.
Would that not be an unfair treatment?
No.
Would that not result into an unfair treatment?
Okay, Prof. It will result in an unfair treatment if the answer is in affirmative.
Sure.
But if it is contrary to, then it would also be an affront to Chairman Kwesi Poku. But you look at it from both possibilities.
Exactly.
So why are you looking at it from only my possibilities?
All right, so thank you so much. Mami now say SOMPA 106.5 FM. What's that? Wait, I'll come to you. So you wait. I'll come to you. I'll come to you. But just send that one to my producer so that we can amplify it right here. But my main cows, 21st clinic in a boy, Chidom Kese Pa, the sciatica originator, the sciatica paceter, sciatica commander, 21st clinic. He had your way. Senior 21st clinic and come in him say nerve be or why your friend is the sciatic nerve. Sa sciatic nerve no and nam yesisi echi sa na nam yetumpomu sa na nam ye nase sa. Nan come in him say there's something we call the sciatic nerve. Me pacho there's something we call the sciatic nerve. The sciatic nerve no ehu kan and the sciatica yadie no deba. The sciatic nerve ehu kan and they did the sciatica yadi neba. And then but so to can name na unine bako as a muya usre muya untimin tiaswa hunu say a year sciatica yadi na clinic I bet me so asene abu a dear draka amana call a 21st clinic. I was sure much or tantra here run about tema oba Roman Catholic Sunday nechiwa kaswa wamu New Market Obrum Kwan so Kumase and overseas baby aso buy from a wona sunyane womuni regional hospital first gate in the share more techiman baby ana GN Bank a ho and obo huomo baby acho bomodina frere 21st clinic was 0540 311 311 0540 311 311